Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I just am going to do a 2-minute click. I'm at the Governor's Garden. It's just a little garden where they take the shells from Normandy and put them on a building and stuff. And it's just a cute little area. That's it. Just thought I'd share it too. So this is the Governor's Gardens, and I guess those shells, that building is built out of shells they took out of Normandy. Anyway, I'm just sitting on top of the bus, and it's a rainy, nasty day. Yeah, it's kind of interesting, huh? Sorry about that. Hi everybody, just thought I'd share.